Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle for kids in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle for kids to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Safety Wheel Bike. Specifications: training wheels, yes. Load capacity, 50 kilograms. Gross weight, 8 kilograms. Pedal type, ordinary pedal. Wheel size, 12 inches. Stature, 85 to 105 centimeters. Length, M, 88 centimeters. Net weight, 7 kilograms. Rim material, aluminum alloy. Fork material, steel. Frame material, steel. Origin, mainland China. Number 4 is Woolface 16 20-inch children's bicycle. Specifications: model, SMF 909. Applicable people, children. Rim material, steel. Fork material, aluminum. Frame material, carbon steel. Type, kids bike. Material, steel. Pattern, chain. Braking system, double V brake. Type, balance bike. As the item number 3 we've selected, folding children's bicycle. Specifications: brand name, Lissem. Training wheels, yes. Pedal type, ordinary pedal. Applicable people, children. Rim material, steel. Fork material, steel. Frame material, steel. Type, kids bike. Number 2 is 12 to 18 inches children's bicycle. Specifications: training wheels, yes. Load capacity, 90 kilograms. Gross weight, 13 kilograms. Pedal type, ordinary pedal. Frame type, soft tail frame. Braking system, rear pedal brake. Wheel size, 10 inches. Front fork type, spring fork. Stature, 120 to 165 centimeters. Net weight, 11 kilograms. Rim material, steel. Fork material, steel. Frame material, steel. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 12-inch boys and girls children's bicycle. Specifications: mount type, freestanding. Bike material, carbon steel, rubber, sponge. Bottle material, plastic. Brakes, front and rear. Wheel diameter, 30.48 centimeters, 12 inches. Bottle capacity, 500 milliliters / 0.13 gallons. Surface treatment, plastic spraying.